Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Debangshu. Under the charts and graphs section, today we will talk about frequency polygons. So these frequency polygons are nothing but similar to histograms. In histograms we have these beans, you can see in the figure. Now if you join the top midpoint of these beans, you get a frequency polygon. So you can understand that frequency polygon also you can interpret it similar to histogram. So what are frequency polygons? Are graphical display of class frequencies, class intervals in the x-axis and frequency in the y-axis. A tool for differentiating the frequencies of class intervals. You can have similar insights that can be obtained from histograms. Now we will try to see how we can create these frequency polygons in Excel. So here we have the same data that we had used for histogram. So this data we have created the frequency table. So if you have not seen my earlier video on frequency distribution, you can watch that and you will know how to create this frequency table. So here I have created a frequency polygon. I'll show you how to create one. So here I am selecting the frequencies. Now insert, go to 2D line, you select this. So you get the frequency polygon. Now a slight modifications here. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the counts. So I don't want that. What I want is right click on the chart, go to select data, click on edit and you select class midpoints because after all it is showing the midpoints. Click OK, again OK. So here you have got these midpoints. So again chart title you can write it as frequency polygon. Let me put it here, frequency polygon. You can click on this plus sign, access. You can select this and write temperature. Then you can select the y-axis and write frequency. Your chart is ready. You can put labels here also. Click on these data labels. So how many is the frequency count you are getting here to see. So your frequency polygon is ready. So that is all for this video. Hope you liked it and understood how to create a frequency polygon. Please consider subscribing to my channel, like the channel and give your valuable comments. Thank you.